How to fix Discord stuck on gray screen. I am going to show you how you can easily fix Discord stuck on the gray screen. Discord requires an active internet connection to function. If you lack such a connection, the app may not work correctly or malfunction. It is possible that your computer's internet connection has suddenly stopped working. To check your connection status, launch a web browser and attempt to open a site. If the site fails to load, it indicates a problem with your connection. In such cases, resolve these issues by rebooting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Sometimes, Discord servers may experience issues, causing the platform to go down. During these times, you won't be able to use the app or its functions as they rely on Discord's online servers. You can check if Discord is down using websites like Discord Status and Down Detector. These sites will notify you of any ongoing issues. If that is the case, you will need to be patient until Discord resolves the problems and restores its services. If you encounter issues with Discord, click the X in the top right corner of Discord to quit. Right-click the Discord icon in your PC system tray and choose Quit Discord. Open your PC Start menu, find Discord and relaunch the app. If Discord doesn't close using the above method, force it to close using the Windows Task Manager. Right-click the Windows taskbar and select Task Manager. Find Discord in the list. Right-click it and choose End Task. Relaunch Discord using your preferred method. If restarting Discord doesn't resolve your issue, try restarting your computer. This can fix minor glitches that may present or prevent Discord from loading properly. To restart your Windows PC, open Start menu, click the power icon, and choose Restart. Launch Discord after your computer restarts. Next, try running Discord with administrator privileges. Right-click the Discord shortcut on your desktop or the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator from the Context menu. Confirm by clicking Yes in the User Account Control prompt. If Discord functions correctly in admin mode, configure Windows to always run it with admin rights. Right-click the Discord desktop shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab and click Advanced. Check the Run as Administrator option, then click OK. Apply the changes by clicking Apply and then OK in Properties. Open Discord using your desktop shortcut. If issues persist, troubleshoot Discord's compatibility. Right-click the Discord shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode and choose Windows 7. From the drop-down menu, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Launch Discord using the desktop shortcut. Additionally, try toggling Discord's hardware acceleration. Open Discord and click the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Select Advanced in the left sidebar. Toggle off and then on the hardware acceleration option. Close and relaunch Discord. Clear Discord's cache data if issue persists. Press Windows plus R to open. Type %appdata%\discord and press Enter. Delete the following 3 folders in the directory that opens cache, GPU cache, IndexedDB. Launch Discord again. Ensure your computer's date and time settings are correct. Open Settings by pressing Windows plus I. Go to Time and Language, then Date and Time. Enable Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. Exit Settings and launch Discord. Check for updates for Discord. Open Discord and right-click its icon in the system tray. Select Check for Updates and allow the app to install any available updates. If problem persists after these steps, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Discord. Open Settings by pressing Windows plus I. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Discord. Click the 3 dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation. Visit the Discord website to download and install a fresh copy of the app on your computer.